went to market. This little piggy had roast beef. Looks like this little piggy should have stayed home. A non-venomous constrictor, the anaconda is native to South America and is without a doubt the biggest, baddest, heaviest snake in the world. I would hate to go up against this beefy snake if it was in a bad mood. A favorite of these giant constrictors. Anacondas prey on pigs in the wild, and unfortunately for the pig, this anaconda is this pig's worst nightmare. Watch out! No! The snake begins at the head. Powerful coils wrap around the pig, completely enveloping it, immobilizing the prey. Snakes don't need hands when their bodies are prehensile. Its lower jaws slowly spread outward to help engulf the whole pig. A ligament at the front of the lower jaw stretches as the two halves of the jaw spread apart, which helps considerably in making room to walk the pig down the snake's throat. This is a green anaconda, reportedly weighing over 500 pounds and reaching nearly 30 feet in length. These large constrictors feed on rodents, monkeys, antelope, and even crocodiles. They naturally prey on pigs in the wild. Finding a nice hiding spot, the anaconda will digest the pig in about 2 weeks. Hey guys, click our sponsor button. It's next to our subscribe button. Sponsoring us will give you special attention. You'll see secret posts and secret videos, among other things. Sponsoring this channel will change your life in magical ways.
If you liked this video, click the videos that are popping up on your screen. We would love for you to subscribe. Please subscribe.